Hello, in this video I want to show you how to configure mobile data limit on Honor 70 Lite. To do this, we'll need to open our settings, then go for the mobile network right here. Then there's mobile data, and here we should be able to find, or actually is it in data usage? More data settings. Yep, here we have the limit, monthly data limit that we can set with megabytes or gigabytes. So keep in mind that 1000 megabytes is 1 gigabyte, and I'm gonna go for 2000.5 megabytes. We can also start the limit at a certain date, so that means it will restart on each day of the month that we're gonna select right here. So I'm gonna go for the first one. Then we can set usage reminders, and when we're over monthly limit, we can disable mobile data or get notification. We can also change the monthly data reminder, notify me when my data usage reaches, and here we can select the number of percentage of a monthly limit. Daily data reminder, so this will basically do the same thing, so it will notify you when you use a certain amount of your limit daily. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.